Good morning, students. We are discussing our chapter sets. Previous class we discussed about the definition of set, representation of a set in two ways, in tabular form and in set builder form, and also discussed some examples. One homework was given. I think all of you have solved. It was very easy. So let us solve that homework first. What is your question? Your question was a set A given. The set A is set of all natural numbers divided by 2 and less than 7. You have to write this set in tabular form and in set builder form. So first answer, let us write first in tabular form. What you know in tabular form? In tabular form we have to list all the elements of the set by putting commas in between them and enclosed by two curly braces. Each element individually we have to write. So set A, what are the elements? First of all, the elements are natural numbers which will be divided by 2 and less than 7. So first number will be 2. 2, then 4, then 6. So 2, 4, 6 are the elements of this set. Because 2 is divided by 2, 4 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 2, and the number should be less than 7. So 3 elements belongs to in this set. So this is the answer in tabular form. Now we'll write this set, same set in set builder form. Set builder form, what you will do? In set builder form, you have to write the set using a common property for each element present in that set. So you have to write, as already said in previous class, that the element in general will take the element x. Let us start with curly bracket. So what is x here? X such that x is a natural number and is divided by 2. X is a natural number. X is a natural number divided by 2 and x is less than 7 in curly bracket. So this can be written also mathematically like this. Instead of writing the common property in language, in words, we can write the set A as A equal to x such that x equal to 2m, because x is divided by 2, so that means x is a multiple of 2. So what is m here? M is a natural number, means m belongs to the set of natural number n. And what is x? Another property also here, x should be less than 10. So x less than 7. So in this way also we can write the set. Instead of writing the set A using the common property in words or in language, mathematically we can write like this. X was that x equal to 2m. What is m? M is a natural number. M belongs to the set of natural number, and this x should be less than 7.
Start.
Now let us solve some more problems. First problem. Question is, write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. So also this is a very easy question. You can solve this. First of all, you have to write this. What you will write? You have to write the solution set of this equation. Means you have to solve this equation. You know in previous classes how to solve this equation. This is a quadratic equation because the highest power or degree of this equation is 2. So this can be solved. How to solve this? Yes. X square plus x can be written like this, 2x minus 2 equal to 0, implies taking x as common, x plus 2, x into x plus 2 minus from these two last two term taking 1 as common, so this is x plus 2 equal to 0, implies x plus 2 in both terms it is common, so x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0, implies x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. So solving this we can find implies if x plus 2 equal to 0, what is x? X is minus 2, and if x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. So the solutions are minus 2, 1. So question is to write in roster form, means in tabular form. So you have to write the set. How? By writing individual elements. So therefore, if we will consider the set, give a name to the set. Suppose this is the set A. So set A equal to, the solutions are minus 2, another is 1. So this is the solution of the equation in roster form. Okay, I think all of you have understand. Yes. And now let us solve another problem. Problem 2. Question is, write the set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 dot dot in set builder form. Which form will write? In set builder form. So let us solve this question. It is very easy. What is the common property here? Set builder form means you have to use the common property. So what is the common property? So that each elements will lies in that set. See, in first case it is the square of 1, second case it is square of 2, third case square of 3, then fourth number is square of 4, then square of 5, square of 6, like this. So we can write here, the answer is A equal to x such that x is a, this is square of 1, square of 2, so means square of natural number. X is a, sorry, x is the square of a natural number. Mathematically, if we want to write, then without writing this sentence, you can write mathematically like this. X such that x equal to what? N square. What is n? N is a natural number. N belongs to the set of natural number n. Okay, I think it is clear now. Now let us solve another problem. Problem 3. Question is, write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 in set builder form. You know, in set builder form what you have to do? In set builder form you have to find a common property for the elements of the set. So what is the common property here? You see, try to find. Yes, see here one thing. See, in each case, in each rational number, numerator begins from 1 and ends in 6, and denominator is 1 more greater than the numerator in first rational number. Numerator is 1, denominator is 2, which is greater than the numerator, just 1 more than the numerator. So denominator in each case is 1 more greater than the numerator. See, in 2 by 3, in 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. So what is the common property here? You can say, so let us give a name to this set. Answer, let us give the name, suppose set E. So set E, we can write collection of all x such that, what is x here? X equal to, in which form it is? All the rational numbers are in the form n by n plus 1. N by n plus 1. What is n? N is a natural number. So up to what? You will continue. Your n is last number. See, in last fraction, the numerator is 6. So you can write n belongs to n and n begins from 1, ends with 6. So 1 and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 6. Means less than equal to what you have given, 1 and 6 both are included here. So first numerator in first fraction numerator is 1, last fraction numerator is 6. So this is your set in set builder form. Okay. So let us now some homework for you. You solve some more problems so that you will be clear on this set builder form, in roster form, and what are sets. Some questions for you. Try to solve this. If any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. So first question 1, you have to find which of the followings are sets. You have to check whether the followings are sets or not. Already we discussed in previous classes before going to the definition of set. First bit, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So you have to check whether this is a set or not. Means what you will find? Means is it possible to find the elements or members of the set? If it is possible to find the elements or members of the set, means well defined collection of objects you have to find. So it will be a set, otherwise not. Next, the collection of all the boys in your class. Collection of all the boys in your class. So means also here it is possible to find the all the boys of your class. So means also this is a set. Means you can find the members of the set. Now let us write two more example. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Similarly, try to find out whether it is possible to find the members of this set. Is it possible to find the natural numbers less than 100? Yes, definitely it is possible to find the natural numbers less than 100. So means again this is a set. Now write another example. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So you should try to find the collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter means which chapter? The chapter which you are studying. The chapter say. So the collection of questions in this chapter. Try to find. Is it possible? Next, after question number 1 was to check whether the following are sets or not. Question number 2. Suppose you are given a set A. The elements of the set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to insert appropriate symbol. Which symbol? Before you know this is the epsilon symbol. Another is this is belongs to and this is does not belong to in the blank spaces. Already I have discussed about this. Try to find, otherwise we will discuss. 5 blank space A. 5 belongs to set A or 5 does not belong to set A. You know when an element is belong to set A, when an element does not belong to set A. If it is present in the set A, it means you will use belongs to symbol. If it does not present in the set A, you will use does not belong to symbol. So accordingly you fill the blank.